Welcome to Rite Style Cooking TV. As you see, this recipe I'll be doing is a ackee and saltfish recipe. The ackee is Jamaica's national dish, cooked up with saltfish. This is from the can. It's easier than the regular ackee off the tree. Okay, so I'll be just going through what the process. Okay, in the pot I got some oil, medium heat. Throw a couple of pimento or allspice. I'll be stirring in some onion and garlic. Okay, this garlic and onion and the allspice will spice up this fish. Okay. I'm putting in some pepper. The chopped up pepper are just for flavor, and I have one Scotch bonnet pepper, this one right here. It's a Scotch bonnet. This is a very hot pepper. I don't need no heat today, so I'll just be using it for flavor also, for its special flavor. Okay. I'll be adding a little cayenne pepper. A little black pepper. Then I'll be adding some tomatoes. Turn around. Okay, the onion is soft. I'll be adding the saltfish. The saltfish has been boiled, desalted and picked up, bones removed. See that one? How lovely it looks. All these colors. Oh, and the aroma is great. I haven't seen an ackee on a tree since February this year, so I have to opt for the canned ackee. When I saw the ones on trees, they weren't open, they weren't right, so I had to leave them. And see, Nice goodbye to them. So I haven't seen one since February. Confined in my house like everybody else. And here's the star of the show again. Canned ackee, which is spur tree ackee in brine. I throw off the brine and I just mix it in. Just stir it. See, the ackee is kind of soft, so you have to stir it in gently, or else it will break up in a lot of little tiny pieces. How lovely it looks. Okay. So what I'll do now is sprinkle a little more black pepper. Just a pinch of black pepper like that. To give it a little color. And stir it in. Some people like a lot of salt in their ackee. I don't. I'm going to give it a little taste. This is good enough for me. Oh, lovely. I'm just going to put a pinch of adobo, all-purpose seasoning, just a pinch. That's it. This is how simple it is to cook ackees in can. You don't have to prepare it like when it comes out the tree. You got to pick it, then you got to make sure it's clean and all of that before you cook it. So that's the ackee. Oh, lovely. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.